Hello everyone, welcome to part 8, chapter 3. We are going to talk about big data era. Companies such as MasterCard and Visa have been involved in big data for many years, processing billions of transactions on a typical holiday weekend such as Labor Day weekend. But there has been an explosion in data growth throughout the business world in recent years. So what is big data? It's the result of exponential growth of data in both public and private organization. There are three dimensions to big data, known as 3Vs: volume, variety, and velocity. Volume deals with the quantity of transactions, which could be measured in petabytes or 1024 terabytes. For example, all the packages shipped throughout the US Postal Service the week of before Christmas, or the sales of Walmart store on Black Friday, or Amazon purchases on Cyber Monday, or the number of tweets that has been sent and received around the world. Variety, this refers to the combination of structured data as well as unstructured data. What is a structured data? Structured data, for example, could be customers' product rating between 1 and 5. Unstructured data is a call center conversation or customer complaints about the service or the product. Most of the social networking data is unstructured. Business combines data collected from the internet and various handheld and mobile devices with location-related data and as well as multimedia data. Velocity refers to the speed in which the data has to be gathered and processed. For example, a billboard that could display a particular ad as soon as particular customer drives by it. The billboard would recognize the driver's face by comparing it to a huge database that is integrated to the driver's social media data, finding out what the driver's favorite things are based on the dislike and like on his Facebook page, then displays it right at that ad. All of this would need to happen in a nanosecond, otherwise the window of opportunity will be lost. Let's see who benefits from big data. Industries benefit and gain competitive advantage in areas such as retail, financial services, advertising and public relations, government, manufacturing, media and telecommunications, energy, and healthcare. Think about it for a few minutes and watch some of the videos that I have posted on Canvas. You will realize some of the companies that are actually benefiting from this big data. Let's look at the tools and technologies of big data. Many technologies and tools have been contributed to the growth of big data. Mobile and wireless technology, the popularity of social media, and the enhance and power of the smartphones and handheld devices are the key factors of big data popularity. Significant improvements in storage technology and substantial cost reduction and improved capability and affordability of analytical tools have made big data analytics accessible to all of the organizations. The most commonly used platform for big data analytics is the open source Apache Hadoop, which uses the Hadoop distributed file system to manage storage. Distributed databases, including NoSQL and Cassandra, are also commonly associated with big data projects. Examples of big data commercial platforms include SAP Big Data Analytics, Tableau, SAS Big Data Analytics, and QlikView. Finally, let's look at the example of a big data. Express Scripts, which is a company that's based out of Missouri, provides pharmacy benefit management system. It processes nearly 1.5 billion prescriptions for approximately 100 million customers per day. The company constantly analyzes data on prescription and insurance claims in order to be able to speed up delivery, reduce errors, and increase profitability. Big data analytics has led this company to quickly find out if the customers are filling their prescription through mail order, which is cheaper, or going to a retail pharmacy. For customers not using mail order, the company can intervene and provide them with a cost option. By using analytics, the company is also able to be proactive and present customers who are taking drugs on a long-term basis with cost alternatives. This company has also recently expanded its predictive analytics with a system called ScreenRx. The goal of this system is to screen and identify those patients with chronic disease who are not sticking with their prescription. The system uses 400 factors such as family history, past diseases, gender, and etc. to identify these patients and offer them proactive recommendation. Non-adherence is the most expensive healthcare-related problem in the US, with annual cost of $317 billion. This system is able to bring this cost down by intervening proactively, which can save a lot of money for both the government and the companies.